Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you informative and engaging content to help you live your best life. Today, we have a topic that many of us can relate to: toothache. We'll be discussing 15 natural remedies that can provide relief from this common and often debilitating issue. But before we dive into the remedies, let's start with a brief overview of what toothache is, its causes, symptoms, and how it can affect a person's daily activities. So, what exactly is a toothache? Well, it's a pain or discomfort in or around a tooth, often caused by dental problems such as cavities, gum disease, tooth infections, or dental trauma. The pain can range from a dull ache to a sharp, throbbing sensation, and it can make simple activities like eating, talking, and even sleeping a real challenge. Some common symptoms of a toothache include sensitivity to hot or cold temperatures, pain when biting or chewing, swollen gums, and even facial swelling in more severe cases. These symptoms can vary in intensity, but one thing is for sure: toothache can have a significant impact on a person's daily activities. Imagine trying to concentrate at work or school while dealing with constant tooth pain. It can be incredibly challenging to focus on tasks and perform at your best. Even enjoying a meal becomes a struggle when every bite sends a jolt of pain through your tooth. Additionally, toothache can disrupt your sleep patterns. Finding a comfortable position for your head becomes a task in itself when any movement triggers excruciating tooth pain. This can lead to sleepless nights, leaving you exhausted and irritable during the day. Social interactions can also be affected by a toothache. Feeling self-conscious about bad breath or worrying that others will notice your discomfort can make you shy away from socializing or even speaking up. It can take a toll on your confidence and overall well-being. Now that we understand the impact of toothache on daily activities, let's dive into our 15 natural remedies that can provide relief when you need it the most. These remedies are simple, effective, and can be easily tried at home. Remedy 1: saltwater rinse. This is a simple and effective remedy. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds. The saltwater rinse helps reduce inflammation and fights bacteria, providing temporary relief. Remedy 2: clove oil. Clove oil contains a natural compound called eugenol, which has analgesic and antibacterial properties. Apply a small amount of clove oil to a cotton ball and gently rub it on the affected area for instant pain relief. Remedy 3: peppermint tea bags. Peppermint tea bags have a cooling effect that can help numb the pain. Steep a peppermint tea bag in hot water, let it cool down, and then place it on the affected area for 15 minutes. Remedy 4: garlic. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties. Crush a clove of garlic and mix it with a pinch of salt. Apply the mixture directly to the affected tooth for pain relief and to fight off infection. Remedy 5: tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and apply it to the affected area using a cotton swab. Remedy 6: cold compress. A cold compress can help numb the pain and reduce swelling. Place a bag of frozen vegetables or a cold pack wrapped in a thin cloth on the cheek near the affected tooth for 15 minutes. To recap, toothaches can be a real nuisance, impacting our daily lives. However, there are numerous natural remedies that can provide relief. From saltwater rinses to tea tree oil, these remedies can help reduce pain, inflammation, and fight off infection. Remedy 7. Guava leaves. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Chew a few fresh guava leaves or boil them in water to make a mouthwash. Gargle with the guava leaf mouthwash for a couple of minutes to soothe the pain. Remedy 8. Salt and pepper paste. Mix equal parts of salt and pepper with a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply this paste directly onto the affected tooth and leave it for a few minutes. It can help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. Remedy 9. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with an equal amount of water. Rinse your mouth with this solution for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Hydrogen peroxide can help kill bacteria and reduce swelling. Remedy 10. Onion. Onions have antimicrobial properties and can provide temporary relief from toothache. Cut a small piece of onion and place it directly on the affected tooth. Let it sit for a few minutes, allowing its natural compounds to work their magic. Remedy 11. Ginger and cayenne paste. Mix equal parts of ginger powder and cayenne pepper with a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply this paste to the affected area for a few minutes to reduce pain and inflammation. Remedy 12. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract contains alcohol, which can help numb the pain. Dip a cotton swab in vanilla extract and gently rub it on the affected tooth for temporary relief. Remedy 13. Wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass has natural antibacterial properties and can help alleviate toothache. Sip on wheatgrass juice or use it as a mouthwash to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Remedy 14. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel directly to the affected area for soothing relief. Remedy 15. Oil pulling. Oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil in your mouth for about 15 minutes. This ancient practice can help reduce bacteria, relieve pain, and improve oral health. And there you have it, 15 natural remedies for toothache that can provide you with relief when you need it the most. Remember, while these remedies can offer temporary relief, it's crucial to address the underlying cause of your toothache by consulting a dentist. We hope you found these remedies helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more informative videos on our channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out on any future content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.